Now to switch gears and go in the garden. With the weather warming up, there's a lot of really cool edible plants that you can plant that you can actually eat yourself. They're healthy and they require low maintenance. That's today's In the Garden, sponsored by Johnson Brothers Garden Market. Caleb, today we're talking about edible plants, and these are plants that actually grow things that you can eat. You mentioned before the segment over here we have earth apple. Can you talk a bit about this one?
Yeah, earth apple is almost exactly kind of what it sounds like. It's basically like a potato, but instead of pulling up a potato, you're going to pull up from that plant a sweet tuber that's going to have an apple or pear-like flavor, which is kind of cool, kind of different.
When does the earth apple grow in?
It needs a lot of warm weather, so it's going to be later in the summer when it's ready, probably harvest time, sometime in August or September.
Yep. And over here it looks like we have some sort of longevity spinach, you said?
Yeah, so this is basically like a plant that produces leaves that taste just like spinach, but it turns into like a small shrub. So you can just keep clipping off the new smaller leaves and using that just like you would spinach in a salad, blend it up, but it doesn't go to flower and it just keeps putting out new growth, so it's like a spinach shrub.
What about over here? What is this one?
Yeah, this one I think is my favorite new unusual veggie. It's called a salad tree, and again the leaves are really cool looking. It gets a woody stalk, trunk and branches, but all the new leaves, just like the longevity spinach, are edible. So you can cut them up, put them in your salads, and again it has a spinach-like flavor. And the really unique part about the salad tree is it puts on a little flower that looks just like a hibiscus. And the flowers are edible as well. So just a really interesting plant.
Over here you said this is mulberry.
Yeah, mulberries, they've been around for a long time. They're just hard to find, kind of unusual in the garden here in the Northwest. And again, it's like a blackberry, but you don't have to deal with the thorns. And you can grow it like a bush, kind of like, these are really small, but you know, where it's kind of filled in, or you can actually train them up into tree form. So you could have a mulberry tree or a tree that grows, you know, basically like a blackberry-like fruit.
Cool, all exciting stuff. Thank you so much, Caleb. We'll send it back to you guys.